Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to log out on your Wix account. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Wix, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Logging out of your account here on Wix is a straightforward process that can help avoid session timeouts or errors that sometimes occur when an account is left open for too long. Now, once you are logged into your account, okay, you're going to be seeing a Wix.com icon on the upper right corner where you can see the dashboard. I want you to click on it. What will happen is you would be forwarded to your dashboard. And then on the upper right corner, there's going to be your profile icon. And there's going to be an option that says log out. Right? If you are sharing a device, logging out ensures that no one else can access your account or sensitive information. Because staying logged in on devices you don't have fully controlled could expose your account to unauthorized use. Of course, logging out can help your account to keep secure, especially if you log in from a borrowed device. Especially if you manage multiple Wix accounts, personal, business, or clients. Logging out allows you to switch between them easily without confusion. Now, if you're having problems logging out of your account here in Wix, the next thing that you should to do is to contact the Wix Customer Support Center. For example, you're having issues or trouble logging out. You might want to click on the 24/7 support here. Ask your question to see if you get an answer. You would be guided with numerous articles that could help you out. But if you wanted to contact them, of course, if one of the customer support staff will give you guidance and troubleshooting steps or insights on how to log out of your account on Wix. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.